Hey everyone, I'm Icemaniak and welcome back to Don't Starve Reign of Giants. So the previous episode we learned that you shouldn't mess too much with nature because it will mess with you afterwards. And yeah, I died because of a tree that was attacking me. I didn't have the materials to get some light up and running in the night after the tree attacked me, so I had to stay at my campfire and every little sapling killed me. So I have to be sure to get my stuff back, even though there's a chance that the tree is still up and running there. So I have to see how I can do that. Well, without dying. That would be really nice in a survival game. Because I already died once and I don't think I have another spawn point. So I have to be really careful now. But I still will be placing the base around there. I just have to be sure that I can, well, find a safe spot, I guess, a safe place. With trees that don't kill me would be really nice. Yeah, let's go down here. Don't exactly know where I died anymore, but it should be fine. Let's pick this up. There's probably a bunch of stuff there, so I will see if I get there. It was around, I think that little patch of trees right there. No berries, sadly. I do have 9 berries though, which is pretty nice. Okay, that does sound like... what does it even sound like? Like, is this tree still alive? It sounds like saplings. Yeah, the tree is still alive. So there's no way for me to regain my stuff without dying. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's all my stuff. Can I even kill him? If I can get my spear out of here. Nope, that's not the spear. That's my spear, yeah. Oh man, I wish I could get everything. And I really need to make a campfire soon as well. No, eat it. Thank you. Let's... Does it actually calm the tree? Nope. I need the gold, so I really need that. Can I make a campfire? That's my question of the day. What can I drop? I could eat all of those petals. Yes, eat it all up. Okay, good. I can make a normal campfire. I need stones for the other one. I will get my other stuff back later. No, I thought I had some stones, so let's actually grab those. Yeah, there are my stones. 36. That's pretty nice. I don't need the marble, I don't think so. I do need some more seeds. So where will I stay? Because if every tree will be like that, I have a bad time coming. I shouldn't be too near here actually. So here's a pig house as well. It's not the best place to be. Should I make it here in the corner? Is that even smart? I got my fire pit. Great. So I will make my science machine as well. Just because I need to get things up and running. So the problem is, can I just chop down trees without... Wait. Okay, I can make a torch, so... With that in mind, I can safely do things. I do want a log suit, but I think I need an alchemy machine for that. Log suit... No, I just need some more rope. So refine... Rope... Oh man, I'm stupid. I should have actually made a chest first, but... So, what do we have? Structures. Structures, where are you? Structures, there you are. Just 3 boards. So I need some more wood for that. Please don't turn in a baddie tree. Chop it down, I need some more. Yeah, that was really a sad episode, because I was only at day 4, like, I really expected to not die for a longer period of time, but, oh well, you get what you, I guess that's karma. You mess with nature, nature messes with you. Come on. Daytime, and there we go. Let's chop down this tree as well. Chop it faster, please. Thank you very much. Let's actually put those back, because maybe that will help. I don't even know. Heat up the paddle for what, some HP. Hey man! Oh, come on! Oh, this will be a really problematic. Ah, okay. So I put a plant there, and he actually made the other tree disappear. So that's good, I guess. Attack him! Yay, they drop branches and stuff. Oh! God, I just became weak. Let's put some, plant some more down, because I don't want him to spawn again. Oh, that's so suckish though. Like, if I can't kill any tree before them growing, that's going to be a rough time. Why is there fighting music now? Did the tree become bad again? Oh, that's not fighting music. That's normal music. I guess? Probably. Let's use my bit of fire I have left to cook up some berries. Yeah, you're cooking really fast, mate. Let's eat it all up. Yeah, wolfgang is better. Good. Okay, so I need to find some boards, which also gives back sanity, which is good. And now, structures. I always lose the tab for some reason. No, not sign. Oh my god, I almost clicked sign. Chest. Nice. So I got a chest as well now. Put away the things I don't need, which is the gold. Oh no, I wanted you to be in the chest, but equip you. I don't need a pan flute. Well, no, I don't need to. I don't need a nightmare fuel. I don't need the paddle, so I will eat it. Good. We put some stuff away. Now we can... what things do I actually need? Because I want to have an alchemy engine. 4 boards, 4 cut stone, and some electric doodads. 2 gold and cut stone. So I want 2 of you. And now I need to make cut stone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I need to make some doodads. Oh, I need another one. So I need 2 more gold. Now I can make another one. And now I only need boards. Which will be the problem of the day, because I can't cut trees. Maybe I should go to the other trees then. Because I know the other trees aren't that bad. At least I have my birch nut here, so I can plant them back if he gets angry. Oh, those mole-worms, I really want to eat those. I really want to eat those. Well, so far so good. Still no sign of Mr. Battery, the poisoned birch nut. Make another axe. I need a lot more. Keep it going, man. Wolfgang, you can do it. What do I need for a... Okay, I need some more grass. Is there grass around here? That's the question of the day. It's around here somewhere. Then the savanna biome. Where are you? I'm almost there. Almost. Keep it going. Keep it going. Oh, it's raining. Oh my... Oh, I need that. I think I can make something that in which I can revive again. And I need a spider gland for that, so... I do need the silk and stuff as well, but... I'd rather have some more grass now. Because it's almost dark. And I need to have a lot of stuff. Twigs I have enough, so I have enough for 2... torches, which will get me through the day, even if the Mr. Tree comes. So, oh crap! Let's plant you back, and you back. Equip the torch, and then know where I have my camp, which is all the way down here. I think that actually heals you. Yeah. So if I could stock up with those things. Wait, am I going right way? Yeah. 40%? Yeah, I can make it. There we are. Okay, let's make a board. Add fuel. Okay, so how much boards did I need? 4. Oh no, the light is gone. No. So bad. I don't think I have enough. No. Not by a long time. So let's actually put something in the chest. Electrical doodads. Because I want to make a parasol. If I can. If I know where it is. Parasol, where are you? Survival maybe? Probably, yeah. I need petals for that. Damn it, I ate them all! I ate all my petals! I got 1 left. Gonna cook up some seeds because I do need to, yeah, you know, get my food up a bit. Oh, that doesn't give me back much at all. How much does it heal? Not that much, I guess. That's better than nothing. Better than nothing at all. Yeah. So in the next episode we should get some more, at least some more logs, if it's safe enough. I do want to think about my new food supply and stuff as well, because I can't live off those berries long enough, because one time in 5 days new berries will grow. So it's not enough to sustain me well enough. So I do need a fishing rod probably. And I do need some more poop for making a farm. And then I can then I can have some food growing at least. Which should keep me secure for a bit more. I can also kill the cats up there if I really need some food. So I do still have some options. I still have some options, which are nice. But yeah, I'm going to leave it here for today. If you liked it, then please give me a thumbs up. If you want to keep updated with daily videos on my channel, then please subscribe to it. And I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Goodbye.